one, and go.
Hello everybody, my name is Ken. I'm from class 4 class. Today I want to tell you about public place. Do you guys know what is public place?
No.
Public place is a place that is open and accessible, where people to do where people can go there to do activities such as learning, eating, relaxing, and staying overnight. Now, I want to tell you some public place that I have learned in my class. The first is TGV. TGV is an English course that where people can improve their English skills. The teacher helps students understand English better and become more confident. The second is restaurant. Restaurant is a place where people eat food and drink. People usually go there to have meals and celebrate special moments. The third is hotel. Hotel is a place where people stay when they travel. It provides room and facilities to make guests feel better. The last one is beach. Beach is natural public place where people can relax, swim, and enjoy the scenery. Now, I want to tell you what is my favorite public place. My favorite public place is Transmart. Transmart is a shopping mall. And at Transmart, we can find supermarket, clothing stores, restaurants, and arcade games. I often go to Transmart with my family and my friends. When I go there, I buy something what I need, or walking around, and playing arcade games. Transmart are important because they have many things. In conclusion, public places are important because they have many things. Thank you for your attention. I think that's all.